through the whole transition, you want to institute lesson learned session after each project, milestone. I don't even, I mean, after every interaction. And the reason why I'm saying that, I know that sounds aggressive because normally what you would do is if you were working in an organization that are very familiar, like they have a PMO and they're used to having project managers there, you will be documenting your lessons learned throughout the whole project. And then at the end, you would go over everything fully. But what I'm telling you here is that after each milestone, you want to have a discussion with those stakeholders. Hey, what did we do well? What didn't we do well? What can we learn from what we did well? And also, what can we learn that we didn't do well, so we won't do that thing again? So I say that, family, because it allows them to see you really care. It allows them to see you're about taking action and not just making a interest type claim. You're actually committed to improving the processes that are in place. Point number 4, optimize resource allocation.